All right, with this WASH 2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Benalfi. Happy Monday. First day is in the books for most of us, except for those of us in TV that still have half the day to go. Always a pleasure to chat with you. Boy, I tell you what, we are getting in on the rain. I love it. I love it. I love it. And more is on the way here as we go through the next couple of days. So if you didn't get much today, hang in there. Over the next couple of days, you will. Eileen Winfrey. Eileen, my trolls were out giving me the scoop about you today. I got all the info I need on you today. I got you, girl. Debbie Mandarino, Maria Sophia. Oh, by the way, neighbor, is it still raining by our house? My radar says it is, but I need you to validate it for me. Brittany Frasetti has popped in. Debbie Mandarino, happy Easter, you guys. Hope it was a good Easter weekend for you. And you too, neighbor, Miss Winfrey. So there it is. Got some good rainfall totals today. We're going to break that down here in a second. Let's go right to the radar. I'm going to switch this on over. There it is. Look at all the green. Woo, woo. Loving it. Gail Kearse, Margaret Morham, Maria Sophia, Nancy Cruz Garcia. Miss Garcia's in the house. Margaret, so am I. We big time needed it. Let's take a look at this radar tour. We need more. We need a lot more just to help out with the drought. We're not even close to done yet. So, but look, we can get a couple inches of rain here in the next couple of days, and that that would be a beautiful thing. Look at Palm Coast. Look at Daytona Beach, folks. It's coming down. Love this. Look at Marineland. Over towards Palm Coast. Nice little fetch off of the Atlantic. Heavy rain there, just west of 95. Look at Ormond Beach. Woo woo! There's Daytona Beach, the Leon Springs, Port Orange, Ponce Inlet. A few lighter sprinkles there. The Villages, Waresdale. A few light showers here. Look at Apopka. Back towards Montverde, Groveland, getting in on the rain. East Orlando had some good rain a short time ago. Still coming in though, off of the Atlantic. From Titusville, the beach line, Wedgefield. Some good rain there near Cypress Springs Elementary. Some good stuff right there. And then off to the south, look at that. Thank you, Brian, appreciate that. Look at that, there it is. Oak Ridge, Meadow Woods, Lake Nona, Kissimmee, getting it on the rain. Northern Brevard County now. Look at Satellite Beach, Cocoa Beach, North Melbourne, Indian Harbor, Satellite Beach. Get ready, coming your way. Woot woot. There's 192. Some pretty good rain. Loving that. Yes. There it is, a couple showers. There's Kissimmee, Meadow Woods. Geronimo Lopez is in the house, love it. Gerardo got married on Saturday in St. Pete. Well, congratulations. Look at your bride. What a cutie pie. Gerardo, you did well. Love that picture of you two, by the way. And what's the missus' name? Does she have a name? Let the cat out of the hat, kiddo. Congrats to the two of you. You guys are going to make beautiful babies. Gerardo, I am proud of you. Carla Say, Gary Hicks, Debbie Mandarino. Love that. Love that. All right, rain totals. Here's what I got. Cypress Knoll. How much rain am I going to get, this viewer says? All right. There it is. Cypress Knoll, 3.16 inches of rain. Gary Hicks says, Tony, more rain! Corona, 2.24. Palm Coast, 2.02 inches of rain. Now, we get you to the rainfall in Paisley, 1.66. Barberville, also 1.66. DeLand, 0.88. And DeLeon Springs, 0.82. This is beautiful, beautiful news. It is down to 63 in Orlando and Bigelow because of the rain. Whoop, whoop. I've got to make some adjustments to my overnight lows, as that is a little bit chillier. And then the models had it forecasted 59 dew point. Wow. All right. Yep. Gonna have to tweak that down by a few degrees. Oh, Lori, were you up there at the Masters? I watched it from my home, and it was great. There's Monday, Tuesday. You can see a few sprinkles out there. No big deal. There it is. Tonight's lows. Check it out. 60 in Ocala, 62 DeLand. James Donnelly's in the house, 63. So we're going to adjust that down by just 2 to 3 degrees there, just based on that little burst of heavy rain, just FYI. There it is. Showers and breezy. Showers and breezy. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Oh, pull this back here. There it is. There it is. A few sprinkles tomorrow, no big deal. 61 live viewers, yeah, they're loving that. When we start getting into Wednesday late, here comes some rain. Oh, Thursday morning, what is that? A couple bands of rain coming up from the south. That's what I'm talking about. We need the rain, and more is on the way. There we go. Love that. Love that. I'll show it to you a different way here in just a second. 74 Palm Coast and Ocala, 77 in Orlando, and 79 into Winter Haven. Now this rain, thank you, Lori. This rain is helping the pollen levels. It's going to be a little bit lower tomorrow, back up Wednesday, Thursday, and then back down Friday with another round of rain. So bring it. We need it. There we go. There it is. There's the attraction. 68, 75, 75. Looking wet in the afternoon. Not too bad, though. Not a washout. Go. Have fun. There it is. First low pulls out. Another one builds in. High builds in briefly, then it gets pushed back to the south. There it is. All right, so let's break this down. Let me show you what this is going to look like here. And you can see, there's your stationary front. There's your rain chances Thursday on into Friday, and lifting up to the north and the east. There we go. And then over the weekend, a few showers, breezes get going. Sunday, here comes that front. And more moisture. So this is good. Rain chances both days are up there with a few storms. And the rainfall comparison graphic, this is interesting. Both models again giving us several inches of rain, and this would be fantastic. Now remember, normal April rainfall is not that much. It's one of the driest months of the year. So it's very conceivable that we can get a whole month's worth of rain here in a week, if not even less than that. In fact, in portions of Flagler County, they may have gotten that today. Turn the water valve, Tony, says Gary. Tina Kyle, TK, always good to have you in the house. There it is. There it is, 7780. Vicky Hill. I think lunchtime tomorrow, Vicky's going to be fine. It'll be clouds out there. We'll be flying into it. I think you're fine. I think you're good. Highs tomorrow will be in the upper 70s. So don't sweat it. You're good. You are good to go. 77, 80, 82, 87, 89. Rain chances much higher on Thursday. And then going right back up over the weekend. So there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Now, nationally speaking, temps looking like this. Chilly out west, warm in Vegas, 89. A little cool in Northeast, middle upper 40s to low 50s. And then up there in the Pacific Northwest, also looking cool. Well, there you go. 49 in Portland's a little bit chilly. 48 in Buffalo, certainly a little bit chilly. Bring on those shares, folks. Remember my motto, sharing is caring. The more people we can reach by you guys sharing these Facebook Live feeds, the more people we can put in the weather know. What's the time frame for Saturday? Saturday is going to be, right now it looks like it's after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. First half of the day to me does look good. Right, national satellite perspective. Jan Corona Boyle. Wind is crazy, Janny. Janny, how was your weekend, by the way? That is a beautiful horse. Do you own that horse, Jan? Is that you? That's a beautiful looking horse you got there. You look like an equestrian. Correct me if I'm wrong. Good to see the... Yeah, how about that, Lori? He came on strong. Pacific Northwest. Big storm system. Zoom it in. There's Vancouver. There's Portland. Wichita. Southeast getting some much needed rain. Up here into New England. A few spritzels. Now, you want cold air and snow. We still have that. There we go. Now it is dwindling up there across New England and the upper Midwest, but still plenty of snow out west and in the Pacific Northwest. Let's take a look now at the temperatures around the globe. Nome, Alaska is at -3. Bobby Johnson's in the house. Fairbanks is at 11. Inuvik is at 10. Fort Ross 2 below. Thompson's at 50. Moosonee is 48. St. Louis is at 71. Raleigh is at 58. The mayor not made. Aha! Yeah, it was tough to make out that picture, but I appreciate the correction there, Janny. Janny Corona, JCB. Are you up in Ocala, by the way, with that lovely mare? Beautiful horse, by the way. What's the horse's name? A horse is a horse is a horse, of course. 84 in El Paso. Vegas is at 89. Shanna Lee McCardle has popped in. Hi, Tony. How does the Gulf of Mexico look right now, King? My son is on the allure of the season, and I'm hoping they have... Yeah, I'll go right there for you here in a second. Hold on, let me finish the temps. So you can see cool in the northeast, warm out west. It is warm in Cancun at 81. Then for Miss Shanna, let's go briefly to the satellite so she can see that it is not bad in the southern Gulf of Mexico, just a few clouds, but overall, not too bad. So they're good to go. They are good to go. There it is. Cool in the northeast, warm out west, 76 in Billings. Vancouver's at 50. Cancun, excuse me, 81. Guatemala City. Let's see. There it is. Kingston, Belize City, Caracas, Bogota, Manaus, La Paz, Bolivia, 48. Asuncion, 73. Buenos Aires, 70. Punta Arenas is at 45. Cape Town, 52. Luanda, 81. Niamey, 88. Roma, coming in at 48. London, 46. Oslo, 41. Moscow, 41. Surgut is at 0. Bratsk, 21. Yakutsk is plus 10. Plus 10. There you go. Ulaanbaatar is at 9. Urkumi is at 46. Beijing is at 54. You're welcome, Shanley McCardle. When's your next cruise, by the way? More shares and more emojis and likes there. Folks, appreciate you. There it is. Beijing, 54. Hong Kong, 75. Makassar, 77. Cairns is at 88. Perth is at 66. Brisbane is at 73. Hobart Airport is at 57. Christchurch is at 59. And Auckland is coming in at 72 degrees. So there you have it, folks. All right. Head back outside. You can see the lens still a little bit wet tonight. Winter Park, roads are still wet. There it is. Alright, so there's pretty quiet. There it is. Roads are a little bit damp. We still have coastal flood advisories, this, that, and the other there. There you go. Beach erosion, minor flooding, roads closed. We're going to have to watch that. You take a look at, so we had one high tide earlier this afternoon, 4.4 feet, and the next tide is going to be about 5.2 feet. This is over at the Trident Pier. So you can see the forecast height is above the storm surge total. So there could be some flooding. Yeah. There you go. There it is. So that's that wider perspective. There's a lot of overall showers there. Radar still looks pretty good. Love that. Love that. Love that. Pockets there. Pockets there. We are cooking with gas. Look at these rain totals. Flagler, Corona, Palm Coast, 2 to 3 inches of rain. Other locations, Paisley, Barberville, and the land also doing very, very, very well tonight. Excellent. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here with a look at the updated 7-day forecast. And I'm going to need to make some rainfall updates and get ready for tonight's 10 and 11 o'clock broadcast. So there you go. 77, 80, 82, 87, 89, 89, and then drying out on Monday. All right, gang, I'm going to rock and roll, start making some updates. You guys are a fantastic group. I am off Tuesday and Wednesday because I'm working all weekend. So I'll be back Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Just FYI. A little crazy week. Alex is getting married, so we're all on a unique schedule this week. Anyway, you guys stay safe. I'll be back tonight. Hopefully you can check me out at 10 and 11. And then I'm back Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You guys are awesome. Stay safe. Enjoy the rain. And we shall talk soon. Ta-ta.